It is 7:30 in the morning, and we are in the desert, high desert, the high desert of Baja, heading from Ensenada across to San Felipe. We just pulled over for a little pee-pee stop. We're towing the boat over to Gonzaga Bay. First thing in the morning here at, where are we? Gonzaga Bay at Papa Fernandez. We are camped over here. And gonna collect some more wood, start the fire. It's a little cool this morning. It was really windy yesterday. But now it's chilling out. Hopefully it's gonna warm up. It is gonna warm up. The sun is just coming up over here. I don't think we're gonna see it. There is Isla Gonzaga over there. Hopefully we'll go there and take a look at it at some point. And the coastline. A couple of the campers down the way here. We're hiking down to the end of this beach. I left the kayak there last night after I was fishing off of this point. It was kind of windy, so instead of paddling back into the wind, I decided to leave it there. We're gonna go pick it up. A lot of driftwood on this end of the beach, kind of collected here by the point. My kayak's still there from last night. We're looking over the point to the other side. There's a lot of birds here. There's cormorants. It looks like there's some other fishermen out on the point. Oh.
Pero no, él dice que quiere una botella de vino.
It's lunchtime. We're using our new kitchen for the second time. Okay, I'm thinking that it's ready. It's getting windy again. It's getting windy. Yeah, being led by the pelican. The sun has come up a little bit. It's warming up. A little bit of a breeze, but we got the boat launched. And now we're making breakfast. Traditional Mexican breakfast. Pancakes. Es broma. Anyway, we're gonna get situated here, and then we're gonna take off, and we're gonna head over there to Punta Final and do a little exploration. Made it across to Punta Final. And now we're going to go into the back bays. What I call it the back bays of Punta Final. Some nice beaches here. This is a really nice beach right here. The back bay has a lot of little beaches like this, little sand spots. Very nice. Very beautiful. Come on. Come on over this way. Otra vez. Pues se siente muy pesado. Ay, sí, es una buena, amor. Oh, necesito el gancho. Wow, mira, amor. Okay. Here we go. Nice. Finalmente. Ese está filmando. Mira la. ¿En serio? Sí, amor. Okay, there we go. Got one. This is a leopard grouper. And now we're working on lunch. We got the ham. We got the cheese. ¿Qué es eso, amor? We got the, oh, basil pesto. Okay. Strong brown mustard. The next cast, you can believe that. We got a, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a, oh! Brincó. No. Este también es muy bueno, amor. Es urel. Sí, es un tipo de urel. Muy bueno. It's a jack. Jack family. Hey, Jack. Muy bueno.
Frito solamente.
Frito, sí. ¿No recuerdas? Mira, look at these guys. You guys want a snack, huh?
Se van a comer.
Okay, no va a sobrevivir este. Mira, look at these guys. Okay, wait, don't eat the lure. Don't eat the lure.
Cuidado con tu anzuelo.
Sí. Okay. We just arrived at the beach here. And there was a lot of birds here, but of course when we pulled up they all decided to leave. All the adolescents were here. Got a few leftovers here. Pelicans, seagulls. No va. Ok. Ese es muy bueno aquí. Para bucear. Ya tiene sombra, amor. No puede acampar en este. Mira, va a estar muy transparente, amor. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, mira esta cueva. Alright, not much to see, but we're gonna stop anyway. Yay, ya chocamos. Land hope. Hey, Rusty. Let's go take a pee, okay? You ready to go, boy? You ready to go, Rusty? Looks like we're gonna go. Okay, I want. Wait. Gracias. You miss us? No? I take that as a no. I know we weren't gone long. Yeah, adolescent pelicans. Okay. Look, a boat with no people. Okay, here we are. Boat. Chocamos. Ok, ya llegamos. Foca. Pues tiene que estar foca, amor, ¿no? Pues a ver, pero muy bien. Now, how is that for a grouper? That is a leopard grouper. A baby, obviously. Where's the? There we go. But beautiful, still beautiful. He's got to grow up a little bit. Thank you. Mira, está de ser, amor. Va a estar oscuro pronto. 4:30, es 4:30. Oh.
¿El mismo?
Sí, es Spotted Bay Bass.
Pobrecito, él tiene mucha hambre. Cayó 2 veces, 3 veces en tu misma trampa.
Oh. Yeah. Hi, guy. Okay, let's get you out of here, okay?
Pobrecito.
Ya sé.
Es el único con hambre aquí, parece.
Easy now, easy. Come on. Let me get you out of there. Whoa, sorry. Thank you.
Otro golpe de estos y va.
Sí, para llevar. Uno para llevar. We pulled into this Bay, right by the boat ramp, and we've cleaned the fish. We got this one we're gonna have tonight, and this is the grouper. And the grouper we're going to vacuum pack and maybe take home. ¿Verdad, amor?
Sí.
Sí, a ver.
A ver.
Saca uno, amor. Uno grande. We're trying to catch halibut here. There's halibut. This is all sand bottom, but we haven't hooked any yet, but we'll see. There's Isla Poma. And we're off here, we're off of Isla Gonzaga, off the point, Duckhead Point.
Oh. ¿El negro o el azul?
Sí. Okay, okay.
¿Sí puedes ir
Lo puedo poner aquí enfrente.
poquitito más adelante?
Sí.
¿Dónde voy yo? Ok, ahí va Rusty.
Okay, Rusty, here we go. You ready? Vamos a la playa, boy.
Me traje los zapatos que no. Me traje los zapatos que no son para agua.
Ajá. La Playa Negra. Con la aleta no lo podemos jalar. Así está bien, amor. Sí. A ver, al revés. O así. Watch out, Rusty. Okay. Isla San Luis Gonzaga. One giant piece of sand, basically. Sedimentary, all sedimentary layers. Very pretty. That was a short visit. But this beach doesn't have many treasures, no shells, nothing of interest. Mira, pescados. Aquí. Got nada. Anyway, kind of interesting to look at, but well, there we go. The bait is on the run. Sí.
Qué muy feo.
¿Qué?
Esos bichitos negros.
Oh, sí, yo sé. Yeah, the beach had no-see-ums, and they're on the attack. So rather than endure that pain, we're going back to the boat, and we're going to head out somewhere else. Hopefully they don't follow us out to the boat. I'm gonna go in here and take a look. Oh, ahí está uno. Oh, está pegado. Oh, dos. Un doble. Ay, ay, ay. Tal vez. No, es pescado, man. Es pescado. You got double hookup right here at the entrance of this bay. Ay, ay, ay. Ya está torcido. Yo creo es Europa. Oh, no, no. Lo voy atrás. Ok. Oh.
También es algo pequeño.
No, mío no.
El mío sí, dije el mío.
Pues siente pesado.
El tuyo,
Mine feels heavy.
El mío no, el mío es muy...
Okay, there's one way to gain on it.
Shit. ¿Dónde está el mío?
Oh, okay.
Ahora sí.
Pues, pásamelo. Okay, lo paro aquí. Ojalá que es Urel.
Uy, no.
No. ¿Qué es,
El
amor?
mío lo que sea lo es.
Oh!
Antes que se me escape.
All right. Muy bien.
No sé qué es,
Muy
pero
bien.
qué bien.
Es guachinango, amor. Es pargo.
No, de verdad, me encanta.
Wow, mine is pulling hard.
Oh, guáchate esto,
Amor,
Messi. Mande.
¿me puedes sacar la cinturón?
Sí.
Mi caña no tiene, oh sí. Okay, we almost got it, I think. Muy bien, amor, muy bien. That is high quality. Ahí viene, mío, yo creo. Tiene que estar with it. It's got to be yellowtail. Sí, amor, el gancho. Ahí viene, ahí viene. Here it comes. Oh, sí, Urel.
¿De dónde voy?
Aquí, a mi lado. Ah, mira, está enganchado al lado.
Oh, shit, se nos va a ir.
Por eso
está
está
chiquito.
peleando tanto.
Por eso.
There we go. That's a good start. Oh. It's,
¿Lo pongo aquí?
no wonder it was fighting so hard. It was foul hooked. We're back on the troll. Gonna have another go at it after that double. Doble. Otro doble one. A ver. What a trip. This island looks like it was made by Hollywood. Looks like a good set for some movie, kind of something. Hookup! Another hookup. Here on the backside of this island, just past the bay. Sí. No está peleando.
Sí, pero...
Oh!
¿Qué es? Una barracuda.
Sí.
Un purel bebé.
Oh, no, no, no. Es Urel.
Un purel. Toma la caña.
Sí. Muy bien, amor. Se lo comió, lo comió. En serio,
Sí.
lo quiere comer. Easy, easy, boy, easy. Twist and shout. There you go. Okay. Ay, ay, ay.
Mire, él estaba comiendo otra cosa
Oh,
también.
no sé si lo podemos sacar la Culiacán.
No, se lo
Está
trago,
enganchando muy adentro.
se lo trago completo.
We'll see if we get that out of there. Well, we will. We'll get it out. This. A ver, necesito cuchillo otro. Voy a matar tuya, el otro.
Sí, mátalos todos. Que no estén sufriendo.
Okay. That is a diver style dispatch. We have a little island here, a little outcropping from the main island.
Quitamos esta,
That's what this looks like. Okay.
la cortina ahora.
Let
Porque
me
casi
see.
choca tu GoPro
Sí,
ahí.
amor. Mejor.
Sí, porque
Y no quiero que sangrado, o no sé cómo se llama.
Ay, no puedo.
Okay, yo lo hago, amor. I got another one on here. Of course, it feels like a bigger one. Amor, ¿puedes entrar este?
Amor, espérame.
Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. I can do it. Oh! ¿Está nadando para aquí o salió?
¿Traigo el gancho? Bueno.
It's either swimming this way or it got off. No, I think it's still on there. Este one. ¿Es más grande o no? Come on, guy. Ahí viene. Here he comes. Here's. Yo creo que es un poco más grande, más.
Sí,
Sí.
parece que sí.
Está como ganchado atrás.
Sí.
O
A un lado,
abajo.
¿verdad?
Ok, espera.
Sí, sí, estoy esperando.
Oh yeah, it's a better size one.
Ay, no, muy para allá.
Okay, wait.
Ok, no se
The
va.
gaffing. Yo quiero que va. There you go. Okay. Okay, that's the biggest one so far.
Va.
On your rod. Nice. Oh, mira, amor, tiene ventana. The hole in the rock. Okay, we're heading back. We're going to troll this area a little bit more. What a cool bay. We're going to park in here for a while and do some snorkeling. Jeanette went with Rusty over to the beach to do a little exploring. It's like a big long, not long, but black sand beach. And now we're getting into the shade, which is kind of nice. And I'm gonna go and do some snorkeling. Right here, we're anchored in this cove, and there's this there's this rock that kind of reminds me of Shipwreck in Catalina. This kind of tall and thin, but anyway, it kind of creates a bay here. And it's got a really cool end over here. This headland is really cool. And the fishing out front has been really good, so we're gonna go, or I'm gonna go and look for some fish out there. ¿Fue pipí o no?
Sí fue, pero no le gusta mucho esa playa. Dice que
Oh, no.
No hay mucho para mear.
Oh, no, es pura negro, piedra negro y... Yeah.
Sí, pero no hay muchos como montañitas. Come on, Rusty. Come on, Rusty. Come on. Come on in front.
These guys are getting very friendly around here. Look at that. I think they're all adolescent pelicans. They're all very young and I don't know. They're just
Tal vez todos tienen para
waiting for
pararse en la
handout.
tabla.
Yeah.
Dice, si lo puede él a nosotros también. ¿A dónde van? Necesito la tabla.
Yeah.
Mira, mira su pico.
Okay, van contigo, amor. Ellos van con. And look at this side over here. They got these guys, also adolescent egrets, all running around, playing around. They're seriously gonna go for a ride. Amor, no vengan muy cerca aquí porque van a comer este.
La van a tumbar.
They got their eyes on these fillets.
Adiós, amor. Me voy con mi nuevo amigo.
Oh, tienes su mascota, amor. Muy bien.
Ya no tengo Gordy. Voy a llevar feliz, ¿no?
Porque no tiene perla, ya tiene este. ¿Cómo se llama su mascota?
Se va a llamar el Gordy 2.
That is crazy.
¿Te gusta mi mascota nueva?
That's too funny.
¿Tú quién cuando te vas?
You got a hitchhiker. Okay, so we are filleting the fish over here. We came back to Punta Final where we're in this little bay, and we're going to vacuum pack the fillets, and we of course attracted a whole bunch of a whole bunch of pelicans. So anyway, I want to see if one of these guys can be willing to try to swallow this whole yellowtail head. When you guys want to try it? I don't know. They have a big throat, but not that big. Nope. Got away. Sank to the bottom. We got one more to go. We got these done. We got this. That's the red snapper. And this is the head, the snapper head. And I'm waiting for one of these pelicans to come and grab it off the bank here. Look, oh, mira aquí abajo.
Oh.
There's a stingray eating the yellowtail head, the yellowtail head that it sank. Mira, amor.
Wow. Es increíble.
Well, something for everybody, I guess. Algo para todo. And the sun is
Sí.
going down soon. And we're going to spend the night here in this
Y tus
little
ojitos.
bay.
Ve tú.
Who wants the head? Nadie. You want the head? Go ahead. Está filmando.
Sí.
No lo quiere.
Sí, pero le damos
Ahí viene,
miedo.
ahí viene. ¿Quiere, mamá?
Dice, ¿puedo o no puedo?
No quiere.
Sí quieren, pero les da miedo.
Who wants it? No? Nobody? No takers, huh?
Nadie.
¿Es demasiado grande? ¿Qué?
No están en amor ni en interés.
You want the whole fish. Not the little head, not just the head. It is sunset time. We finished cleaning all the fish, got it vacuum packed in the cooler. These guys are still hanging around. I stepped to the edge of the boat and they all start swimming over here. Anyway, I'm still suited up in my dive gear from earlier today, so I'm gonna go for a night dive. Hopefully that will be something good. It's gonna be time for the coyotes to come out and scour the beaches. A lot of coyotes around here. Okay, so we are going to prepare. ¿Qué vas a preparar, Omar?
Pescado.
We're going to eat some of the red snapper and the yellowtail collar.
Y café.
Oh, and we're going to have coffee. Ah, muy bien. Muy importante.
Y la comida de Rusty.
Oh, first we got to heat up Rusty's food. Very important. Got to feed the boy. Anyway, I'm still sitting around in my Rife dive suit because I'm going to go out diving. Just waiting for it to get a little darker. But much easier to get these during the evening, that's for sure. Anyway, something else for the cooler.